I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a sloth. I've already drawn this on my computer, so I'll show you. There he is, quite cute. I'll pop that in front so I can copy it. Right, let's have a look. So, I'll start with the head, I think. Actually, I'm going to start with the arm because the arm comes across the front of the head. So we're going to start here. If I go too fast, just pause the video. That's going to be his paw. And I'm going to go round, connect to there. So I'm going to go round, go slowly here because I'm going to stop in a second. So I'm going to stop there. Okay, and then we have this bit here, which is going to be his other arm. That's going to fold. Okay, and then the arm is folding underneath, so I'm just going to pop it like that. And now the little claws, long claws, but I don't think they hurt with them. I think they just use them to hold on to trees. They got to sleep in a tree, holding on. I don't think I could do that. Right, there we go. That's going to be the nose. Let's colour that in. Right, and I'm going to do a little smiley mouth because he's asleep and they like sleeping. I like sleeping too. I don't like getting up in the morning. Right, I'm just going to do this bit. I've made this a little bit like a love heart shape, just slightly rounded. So that's going to be the face. Now they've got funny eyes. So I'm going to do this. And we've got to try and do the same on the other side. It's hard that actually when you do one side, do the other side because your hand moves the opposite way and the picture's the opposite way. So let's go slowly. There we go. I'm going to do sleepy eyes. So just like that. That side. There we go. And right now we need the shape of the head. So I'm going to go round and I'm going to stop there because his head's tucked under. So I'm going to try and do this slowly all the way around. Pause the video if I go too fast. There we go. And I'm going to stop there. Oh, right. Next. So I'm going to start with the tail because I tend to go around and cut it off by accident. So I'm just going to do this. And that's the tail. And then the belly's going to come and connect to the arm. So that's just going to go somewhere like there maybe. And then we're going to do a swooping line coming across to connect to the head. So nice and so it's hard because you can't see because your hand gets in the way. So but there we go. I think that cutie is done. So that's a sloth. I'd like to see your pictures. I would do his eyes a little bit wider like that actually. It makes him look friendly if you do him a bit more. I would like to see your pictures. If you send them to me, you'll find all my details below. I've got email and my Facebook page. So I'm a writer and illustrator. So I have my own page and I will post them on there so everyone can see them. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time.